Hi, I'm George DeMarco with Brown Harris Stevens, and what I'm about to show you is perhaps the best value in all of Lincoln Towers. This is 29J, a Junior 4, which for those who don't know is a one-bedroom apartment that is easily converted to a two-bedroom. Let's get started. Upon entering, you'll begin to imagine hosting parties in the large 24-foot long living room with adjacent dining area that could accommodate a table for 8. A wall of 4 north-facing windows bathe the apartment in generous light, with sky and building top views from both the living room, dining room, and bedroom. You can easily convert the dining area to a home office or second bedroom, and you can open the kitchen to the living room. So many exciting opportunities to design this kitchen and apartment to your exact specifications. But then you realize this apartment is in good condition and you can move in as is. The bathroom is original but clean and in good condition. The 4 closets, including the huge walk-in, will have you giddy with excitement. The very generously sized bedroom can accommodate a king-size bed, nightstands, dresser, and desk. This apartment is a great opportunity to own the apartment of your dreams and is priced to make it affordable. Thanks for joining me for a tour of 29J at Lincoln Towers. This is a great apartment with great space at a great price. Call me and let's schedule an appointment.